Hello everybody, it's Tactical Trash Panda once again to give you a tabletop review of my G19 slide. So what we're running for sights is the Trijicon suppressor height night sights. They work great, they hold their glow for a very long time. Along with the Holosun HS507C, these do a perfect job with perfect exact co-witness. What I do have up front, which I recently installed, is the Legion Precision Comp. This thing will run everything. I put in about 250 rounds of Wolf 115 grain steel case through it after I installed it. No jams whatsoever, ran flawlessly, no hiccups. I did also use 124 grain Federal HSTs through it. Again, ran flawlessly. The great thing about this is you do not have to play with your spring weights, nothing, unlike other comps that are out on the market at the moment. The barrel and the slide are from Brownells. Most of this build is actually from Brownells, but back to the slide, you can get these slides for the G34, the G17, the 19, and the 26. They have different cut options. I went with the lightning cut up front along with the RMR footprint optic cut. This thing will run anything with the RMR footprint, so you're good to go with that. What I do have inside is all OEM Glock parts. So the striker, the extractor, the springs, the plunger, everything is all Glock. If you're a P80 builder or just want to upgrade your G19, this is an amazing aftermarket setup that you can go with for the great bang for your buck. I mean, this slide, I believe, is sub $300, so good to go. I also do want to mention, I do have a Brownells affiliate. If you could go through that, help me out. That will help the channel out. It is linked in my IG bio. Well, there's a good shot of the bottom right there. Legion Precision. So, yeah, that was just a quick review of what I wanted to talk about. Definitely go check out Brownells. These slides, they have a lot of different options. If they do not have what you're looking for in stock at the moment, just add in your email. They'll notify you as soon as it comes in stock. They do a really good job at restocking their merchandise, so you'll be good to go. You don't have to wait too long. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I would appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment. I'm not a big video guy, so I'll try to do some more work here. The more I do, I'm sure the better I'll get. But again, thanks for watching, guys. Use the affiliate code, it'll definitely help. If not, I mean, that's cool too. Make sure to check out Brownells. Thank you, guys.